Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to pay with Amex points on Expedia. First, go to expedia.com and log in to your account. Search for flight, hotel, or activity you want. Then choose Pay Now at Checkout. On the payment screen, select Use My Points. Enter how many Amex membership rewards points you want to redeem. You still pay the full amount with your American Express card at checkout. But don't worry, Amex will automatically apply a statement credit based on the points you use. And that's it. That's how to pay with Amex points on Expedia. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.